My ex-husband was a chiropractor. He's one of those that crack you, and I'm not crazy about that crack. So when I found out about the spinal care, somebody recommended it to me. I can't even remember who, because I've been coming for about 3 years. And I came and I talked to Dr. Lazard. I did a consultation, and I was very impressed with his method. The fact that he keeps your atlas and axis on point, and he adjusts you very gently, very tenderly. He respects your body, and he actually taught me how to listen to my body again. And the idea is that when you have back pain or even neck pain, your body has a tendency to fall out of alignment, and it stays in that vein. Where what he does is he retrains your body to be in alignment, so it will maintain that more than being out. Consequently, the results are you're in less pain, and you're living a better quality of life, which is what I want. Because, you know, like I said, I'm 63, so what do people talk about? How they feel, their ailments, that, you know, it's ridiculous what goes on with the body. Aging is not gracious, you know, to the body. And so I talk about how good I feel because they're consequently not feeling good because of aging. I'm feeling better because I'm in alignment most of the time.